Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the skies with two awesome drones. The Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, aka Atom SE, and the LMRC-12 drone, aka LMRC-12. First up, let's talk about the price. Because, let's be real, our wallets matter. The Atom SE comes in at $299. That's right, folks, almost $300. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12 is a mere $79. That's cheaper than a fancy dinner date. So if you're looking to save some cash, LMRC-12 is your go-to. But remember, you get what you pay for. Next, let's dive into the cameras. The Atom SE boasts a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor. That's right, folks, 4K. You could probably count the freckles on a mosquito with this thing. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 comes with a 1080p HD camera. It's like comparing a Hollywood blockbuster to your cousin's wedding video. But hey, it still gets the job done. Now, flight time. The Atom SE flexes with a whopping 62 minutes, thanks to its dual batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while it's up in the air. The LMRC-12 offers a respectable 26 minutes. Perfect for a quick flyby of your neighbor's barbecue. Just don't get caught. Let's talk features. The Atom SE is packed with GPS auto return, multiple flight modes, and PixSync 2.0 for stable video transmission up to 4 kilometers. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The LMRC-12 brings headless mode, one-key start landing, and hand gesture photo, video. It's like the fun uncle at a family reunion, simple, straightforward, and a blast to hang out with. Ability and build. The Atom SE is lightweight, less than 249 grams, and has level 5 wind resistance. It's like a ballerina that can withstand a hurricane. The LMRC-12 is compact and wind resistant too, but let's be real, it's more like a paper plane in a breeze. Still, it's got brushless motors for a quieter, more stable flight. Reviewers have a lot to say about these drones. The Potensic Atom SE is praised for its high-quality camera, long flight time, and advanced features like GPS and multiple flight modes. Many users find it easy to fly and appreciate its stability and build quality. On the flip side, the LMRC-12 is loved for its affordability and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. However, some reviews mention issues with the app and controls, so it's not without its flaws. So there you have it, folks. If you're a serious flyer looking for top-notch quality and features, the Atom SE is your bird. But if you're balling on a budget and just want some high-flying fun, the LMRC-12 is your guy. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart episode. Fly high, Buy Smart. Product links are in the description.